If you earn rental income in Kenya and haven't registered for monthly rental income tax, this video walks you through from registration to filing. Log in using itax.kra.go.ke. Then you can use your ID to log in, enter your ID number, and then validate. Then enter your password and click login. Go to registration, then amend PIN details. The mode of amendment should be online. Select PIN, then select the source of income because that's what we are amending. Go to obligation details and select income tax rent income. Read through this notice and then you close it. Set the registration date as today's date. Then go to see the source of income details. On rental income, select yes. On section, select real estate activities. Group, select real estate activities. Description, real estate activities with own or leased property. Type you select either primary or secondary. Then click add. Click next. So let me assume these are my property details. It is clear, so just follow through. Then click add, click next, then click on submit. And you will get your updated KRA PIN with rental income indicated.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
Once logged into iTax, go to Returns, then File Return. The tax obligation, select Income Tax Rent Income. The landlord information is already autofilled by the system. The return period is also autofilled as from the last filing you did. Note that it should always be current to avoid penalties. Then click Next. The property details are also autofilled. You just need to indicate the total rental income you collected the previous month. Then the tax on rental income calculates automatically using 7.5% rate. Then click Next. Section C gives you a summary of the tax due. If you confirm it is correct, click on Submit. Finally, download your return receipts for your record. A quick one: if you did not receive any rent for a particular month, maybe because you have one house and it was vacant, you file nil returns. So you'll go to Returns menu, then File Nil Returns. Select Income Tax Rent Income, and then confirm the return period, then submit the returns, and you are done. Follow us at RM Accounting Solutions for more tax and small businesses finance tips.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.